Hello good people, I wanted to do a quick video if you suspect to have a rootkit on your system or server, anything like that. So what you can do to quickly check if there might be a rootkit. First of all, use rootkit scanners like RK Hunter. This is actually a decent tool. This will run through, it takes a bit, will check for known rootkits and known methods of rootkits. And at the end of the day, output your file summary, a system check summary, and list your possible rootkits. Another rootkit tool that's actually pretty good is the chkrootkit tool. Here we have similar things going on. This is more leaning into searching for suspicious files. And as you can see here, it found some suspicious files in my temp folder. The next thing you can do is use tools like unhide. These will compare processes that are actually running on your system with processes that are listed as running, right? And then show you the hidden processes, basically. Of course, not every hidden process is a rootkit, so you have to check manually what's going on behind each process if you want to make sure. Next thing, if the rootkit is maybe a kernel level rootkit, you have to check for modules, so you can use lsmod, check for modules, or even go as far as checking manually which modules are active right now, compare these two lists, and this might help you if you know what you're doing. For example, this right here is a rootkit I loaded in, but the problem here is that rootkits can easily hide from operations like lsmod or even listing them like that, right? The next thing you can do is actually checking the network. So using tools like tcpdump, check the network, using tools like SS, check which ports are opened or netstat, and see if there's anything suspicious going on. Well guys, the thing with rootkits is that you can never be sure if there actually is one on your system. There are very, very good rootkits out there that will hide very, very well, or just live in memory, or hollow out other processes and live inside other processes. So you can go even deeper, do memory inspection, or mount the file system somewhere else, check for suspicious files, and so on and so forth. But if you have suspicion that there might be a rootkit on your system, and you have a good reason to think so, I would get the data out that you need and check it that it's clean, and then just start the server new. I know this is a hassle, but it's actually very, very hard to get rootkits out, and you can never be really sure that it really is gone. So this is the only safe way, I assume. Of course, there are also proprietary tools, and there are solutions like in Vasu with rootkit scanners, but yes, it's still, this is one of the worst things that can practically happen to you, and I hope you will never encounter a situation like that, so having a rootkit on the system. Well, thank you for watching. That's it for today.